Hernias can occur with anyone. Typically, they occur more commonly in men because hernias are associated with people who perform strenuous activities. Not to mention that anyone can get it, but it's more common in people who do strenuous activities, lifting, heavy labor. So we see it more commonly in people who are performing some type of laborious work. However, athletes and weekend warriors who use the gym are also subject to this. So a hernia can occur in virtually anyone, male or female, but is more common in those who perform the more strenuous type of activities.